Hi guys, welcome to Renuka's Mindful Fitness. I am Renuka, hope you guys are doing well, and today through my channel I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the doctors, all the police forces, all the nurses, all the paramedics, all the BMC workers who are working out there selflessly and endlessly so that we can stay home in our comfort zone. So guys, just because you don't have that one simple ingredient at home with which you can make a recipe, don't go out. Okay, I also try to show you the recipes with which the ingredients are easily available at home. So stay home and stay safe. The only way we can support them is by staying at home and not venturing out whenever we want to. So please stay home, it's a request. Now moving on to a recipe, today I'm going to show you a very simple Andhra style chicken ghee roast. Hope you guys will enjoy it, and now let's move on to our recipe. So these are the ingredients for a dish today. This is the main ingredient. This is the powder of coriander and fennel seeds. I have not dry roasted or anything. You can just make a coarse powder of it. Then some salt as per taste, chopped onions, some chicken, curry leaves. Here I have taken some garam masalas. I have taken them in low quantity because my chicken is also in a very less quantity. So adjust the spices according to your taste. Here I have taken coarsely grounded black pepper. Don't ground black pepper in the mixer. Take your mortar and pestle and ground the black pepper in that, because that is what will give a fresh aroma as well as a fresh taste to your dish. Here I have 1 tablespoon of desi ghee. Here is my red spicy chili powder. Here I have heated my desi ghee. First we'll put all our spices. Okay, let them crackle a bit. Once they start crackling, we will add our curry leaves, lots of it. After all, we are making Andhra style ghee roast chicken, so yes, lots of curry leaves, onions, I hope you all saw my yesterday's video of quinoa khichdi, and I have told you all the importance of adding ghee in your daily diet. So ghee is very healthy. Do include it in your everyday diet. Okay. Only to mention that I have marinated my chicken with some turmeric, salt and lots of ginger garlic paste. Wow, what an aroma! The fresh ghee, my onions, the garam masalas, curry leaves are giving out such amazing aroma. My house is filled with the fresh aroma of the spices, ghee, the sauteed onions. Lovely. Add your chicken and give it a nice mix. Saute it on medium flame. See, you can make this dish in cooker as well, since it's a Andhra style ghee roast chicken, so it has to be a slow roast procedure. But yeah, I've tried making this in cooker as well whenever I'm in hurry, or I have to rush my kid to school and I have to make this for his tiffin. So I make sure that I roast it properly in a kadai, non-stick kadai or something, and then directly I give 4 whistles in pressure cooker and my ghee roast is ready. So you can go for that as well. Now we'll add our spices. In goes a coarse powder of coriander and fennel seeds. Add little first, then a freshly grounded pepper and a chili powder. Make sure that whenever you are adding black pepper to any of your dishes, make sure to add turmeric as well, because turmeric, what it does is it helps to absorb the good essential nutrients of black pepper in the body. So make sure you do that. After all, food is a science, you cannot ignore. Make sure you add salt very carefully, because while marination also you will be adding the salt. So add it carefully, otherwise you will have to eat the salty ghee roast chicken. So make sure that you add salt very carefully. Wow, look how lovely it looks. This dish is specially for those people who love their dry chicken, dry roast chicken. It's not for the people who love gravies. You can make gravy also out of this. Add some more water, some more spices, and here your gravy will be done. Roast it well for around 5 to 6 minutes and add little water. We don't want to add lot of water into this. Add little water, because chicken will also leave its water once we start cooking it. Don't add much water. And now cover it and cook it for around 10 to 15 minutes, or it also depends upon the size of your chicken. My chicken is of medium size, so it will probably take max to max 20 to 25 minutes, not more than that. Don't add more water at a time, or else your chicken will lose all the essential taste and aroma of the spices that you have added. So add water carefully and little by little. Close the lid and cook it for 20 minutes. Let's see if our chicken is done. Wow. So our chicken is done. Put in some lime juice. Some coriander. And give it a nice mix. Give it a mix. Okay, and our chicken is ready. Let's serve it. Guys, a healthy Andhra style chicken ghee roast is ready. You can have it with plain roti, paratha, naan, even knead dosa, or whatever your heart desires to. I like to have it with my cucumber salad, so I'm going to have it with that. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel for more such healthy recipes. I'll be back again with some more healthy recipes in my next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay fit. Bye-bye.